Once upon a time, in the beautiful neighbourhood of Arthur Creak, there lived a young and adventurous lawnmower named Cedar. With his trusty lawnmower, he set out on a mission to conquer unruly lawns and bring peace and harmony to every yard.
I'm Cedar, the lawnmower extraordinaire. I'm here to save your lawns from the evil clutches of tall grass and wild weeds.
Oh, Cedar, please help me. My lawn has become a jungle and I'm lost in a sea of weeds.
Fear not, dear neighbor. Cedar's lawn cutting service will transform your lawn to a majestic oasis. Let the mowing begin!
Wow, my lawn has never looked this fantastic. You're a true lawn wizard, Cedar.
It's all in a day's work for Cedar's lawn mowing services. I bring life and joy to lawns. If you want an adventure for your lawn and a smile on your face, call Cedar's Lawn Service today.
And so, Cedar continued his epic adventures, bringing laughter, joy, and perfectly manicured lawns to the residents of Arthur Creak. Remember, when your lawn needs some TLC, Cedar is the one to call. Cedar's Lawn Cutting Services, where lawns become works of art.